Now we will go through the cash register slip and the approach. How do we approach it? Okay, let's go to the textbook. I want to take one example. So this is the cash register slip. As I've explained the triangles, ne? So remember, this is the number of items and this is the total price. So with this, you can use your triangle to get the unit price. Okay. So if there's no number, it means it's just one. Okay, remember that. So how do we approach the, I don't want this slip. Just hold on so that I get the slip that I want. I will take this slip, for example, that is in your textbook, page 57. Okay, this is the kind of the cash register slip that they will use. Okay, so in this case, it's all unit prices because we don't have a number at the beginning, the number of items. Okay, so now what we see items that are marked with an asterisk, and if they ask you what does it means, it means these items are exempted from VAT. Okay, so now let's talk about the approach to the slip. So if you get the slip, please do a favor for me. Before answering the question, come and draw this table. Please, it will help you big time. A cash register. You've got this in your the copies that I gave you. Okay, so if you get a slip, please draw this item for me. Please, 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 I'm asking you. Okay, and then here you're gonna list the items without the asterisk and put their price. Okay, and then here you list the items with the asterisk and list their prices. Okay, and after you've listed their prices, you add the total. After you've listed their prices, you add the total. Okay, that's the first thing you must do. So you must be able to draw this table because they won't give you this table. You must be able to draw it yourself, put the headings correctly where they belong. So now let's go back to the slip. So we have the items. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items without an asterisk. So we will go to this table, we will list this item here, which means we will put their names. For example, we will say it's a vegetable soup, it's a mini tennis biscuit, it's a 50-gram biltong, it's a 24-liter VTC. I don't know what it is. And then it's yogurt, and it's cottage cheese, it's shampoo, and it's muffin chalk. All this information, we will put it here. And then the price, now we'll put the price for each and every item. And then after that, we will take these prices. Unfortunately, I don't want to make a long video, so I want you to do it. So if you take the prices that don't have an asterisk and you add those prices, for example, number 1, I've got 6.95. Number 2, I've got 3.95. Number 4, I've got oh no, my calculator. Let me start afresh. 6.95 plus 3.95 plus 19.99 plus, what is the next one? 0.44 plus 5.49 plus 15.99 plus another 15.99 and then plus 13.95. And when I add that, I get 82.75. Am I correct? So I'm gonna come back here to my table. The price will be listed here, and here I will have my 82.75, not 95, 0.75. You see that? I've added all the prices without an asterisk. Then I come back again. I look at the prices with an asterisk. The first one is 16.99 plus 6.99 plus 11.95. You see that? I added those three because they've got an asterisk, and I get 35.93, and then this will be here. It will be 35.93. Now, I would have listed everything here. Now, I get the VAT amount. The VAT amount, and this I call it A, this I call it B. Now, VAT amount is equal to A times 15%. So, what is my A? My A is 82.75. I will times this by 15%. So, it's 82.75 times 15%. Okay. And what do I get? I get 12 rand 86. 12, let me put it in rands. 12 rand point 86. So this is the VAT I will pay. Okay. So now, see, so I've calculated everything. So if I have to calculate the total due or balance due, it will be A plus B plus C. So let's add that and see if we get the total amount. So we have 12.86 plus 82.75 plus 35.93. And the total due, it will be, why does it look incorrect for me? 131.54. Let's go and look in our slip. This must match exactly the slip. If there's something wrong, yes, there's something a little bit wrong. I think we've added incorrectly on the ones with the asterisk. It's a little bit more. So let's start and try and add the ones without asterisk and double check our answer. 6.95 plus 3.95 plus 19.99 plus, I've covered these three, 0.44 plus 5.49 plus, I've covered this, and I'm at 15.99 plus 15.99 and 13.95 plus 13.95. Okay, so our answer is correct. Oh, the difference is that VAT in this slip was 14%. Okay, but in your question they will use VAT 15%. So here, and then I don't like this slip now because it has got a, so let's use 14%, but please make sure in your exam your VAT will be 15%. So let's go now. So which means I don't want to change your table. I don't. Can we use a cash register that is different? Sorry about that. My apologies, I cannot find a slip with a 15% VAT. So which means in our table, in our table now, we will adjust our table so that, ooh, where am I? I just want the table we were working with. Okay, just hold on. So it means instead of multiplying by 15% here, we'll multiply by 14%. Okay, let us just change this. But remember, in your exam, it will be 15%. So it will be A multiplied by 14%. So it will be 82.75 multiplied by 14%. Let's see. And then we get our answer to be 11.59. 11.59. 11 rand 59. So let me put the rands. Okay, so you see we filled our column, so we can get the total balance due, which will be different. Let's add accordingly now. So it will be, remember, total balance or total due, it will be A plus B plus C. So it will be 11.59 plus 35.93 plus 82.75. Okay, and what is the answer? The answer is 130.27. 130.27. And it is in rands. That is the balance due. So let's go to our slip and make sure that is the same. The balance is 130.27. So you see the table helps you to break down the slip. How did they get about to find what is on the slip? Oh my goodness, did I lose my work? I hope not. Okay. So now you see our total due is 130.27. So now if you compare all these figures, you will see them in your slip. Let's go back to the slip. Can you see the slip? Yes. Okay, so the balance due is 130.27. We got it. And this, this 11.59 we got it, and 35.93. But I will show you now this table that you see here that has got rate, VAT, and total. Here it is on our table, so we need to populate it as well. Rate, VAT, and total. So now we start with A, the one without asterisk. The rate or the VAT rate is always 15%. The one without the asterisk, this is always 0%. So this you must put. And then here under VAT, we put the value that we got on C. So let's put the value that we got on C here. It is 11.59. And then here, let me put it on the side so that it can be clear. And then here they say it's A plus C. So we must put A plus C, which is 82.75 plus 11.59. Okay. Then we get 93. You see all the figures that are on the slip are coming out. You get 93, and 94.34. And then here we have 0, and here we get B, which is 35.93. So you see all the figures that are on the slip, we have just worked them out in the table. So let's go back to the slip. You see now, we've got this 11.59, we've got this 94.34, we've got this 35.93. Let's go back in the table. You see, all our figures are there in the table. So please just know how to draw this table. They won't give it to you on the test, so you need to know it on your own before the exam. Okay, so just putting all these figures and numbers, except for the ones that I've just put now in red when I was working with the slip. So draw the table for yourself, and then put the details as per the slip without the asterisk and the prices. You get the total. Items without. Oh, I made a mistake. It's items without an asterisk, and here is items with. Please correct this, remove out. Here is items with an asterisk, and you put the prices, you add, you get the total. Okay, and then after that you get the VAT amount, which is A multiplied by 15%, but for this slip we are using 14%. You get the VAT amount, and then you draw this. You can start by getting the total balance due. You put it, you add A, B, and C, and then you draw your second table, which has got rate, VAT, and total. Rate, and here it will be for without the asterisk total, which is A, and with asterisk total, which is B. Okay, and this will be 15%. In this case, it's 14% for us, and 0%. Then here where there is, you put C, and then here is A plus C. You get that from the table, and then B, you also take it from the table. A plus C, you have to take A and add it to C and get your answer. Okay, then after this table, you can answer any question that comes. So let's look at the questions that are in the book. So we have done everything. We have all these figures. Now let's continue and see what is the question asking. It will be so easy for you to answer the question. Which items on the slip are exempt from VAT? You will say that the items marked with an asterisk. What percentage of VAT is charged? We were given the percentage, it was 14% in that case. Okay, and then show how the amount of 35 rand 93 has been obtained. Then this is where you go to the table. 35 rand 95, you know that they've taken all the items with an asterisk, and so you will, in your answer, you will just add all the amounts with the asterisk and show how they get this 35. So for example, your answer should be, let's go back to the question. Your answer should be, oh no, what have I done? What have I done? Ooh. Okay, yes, it's here. Just saw that one. So we just need to go back one page. So you go back to your slip. So you go to, it's 16.99 plus 6.99 plus 11.95. Okay, so your answer will be, if you have to answer that number A, how will you write your answer? I just want to show you how you write, how they expect you to write the answer. So the answer will be 16.99 plus 6.99 plus 11.95, and then you write your equal sign, you write 35.93. Okay, so that is how you show how did they get that figure. Okay, that is the question that they ask in the next page. They said, show how the amount of 35.93 has been obtained. Number 2.4, show how the amount of 94.34 has been obtained. Similarly, you go to your table will tell you everything. So this is the figure. So you can you can add all these amounts and get, what figure are they asking? They're asking for 94. So you can get the total for this one. You get 82.75 like this, and then you take that 82.75, multiply it by 14% for the example, then you get 94.3. So you will be able, the table will help you to be able to show all your answers. So I hope this will help you a lot. Okay, so please know to draw this table, okay, on your own. Okay, Then you will use the slip to populate it and to answer the questions.